Hi, and welcome to Orange County Chiropractic Car Injury Clinics. And what we are is a group of doctors that specifically focus on chiropractic related problems like back pain, neck pain, spinal related pain, but also specifically car injuries that cause back and neck pain. So let me share with you how exactly we can help your pain, decrease any muscle spasms, increase your mobility to where you can work with no pain or restrictions, sleep with no pain or restrictions, bathe and shower with no pain or restrictions. Let me share you exactly how we can help relieve your low back pain and how that works. Now, most of the time when our patients have low back pain, whether it's either from what's called major trauma or minor trauma. Major trauma is like from an auto accident, an injury, a fall, something like that. And then sometimes it can occur from what's called minor trauma. Meaning you do something that individually, if you did it once or twice, it wouldn't be any big deal. But when you do it over and over and over, now it causes a problem. Those are the typical problems for low back pain. And so how we evaluate that. So here's what happens is your body heals in three phases. There's the inflammation phase, the repair and remodel phase. And what's so important is to have the right therapy in the right phase. So in other words, in the inflammation phase, it's real important to have your therapy that helps decrease pain, inflammation, and muscle spasms. Now, when your body heals in what's called the repair phase, what's so important there is to have therapy that increases your mobility. In other words, we actually have three joint movements. We have what's called active range of motion, passive range of motion, and joint motion. All three of those have to have therapy, or that's what will cause pain and restrictions to some degree, potentially the rest of your life. So that's where chiropractic adjustments are really effective. And then we also have what are called nerve stretching. It's a type of therapy that it kind of fakes the body out by using your nervous system. There's no side effects, but it's basically we're kind of faking the nervous system out so we can actually stretch and get you to move more than you would be able to on your own. As a matter of fact, when we first do that therapy, you'll notice an immediate improvement of how much more you can move with less pain on the very first treatment. And it happens pretty much all the time. And there's no side effects. Doesn't hurt, and there's no side effects. And then when your body heals in the remodel phase, what's so important about that is if you don't receive some type of resistance therapy, then that injured area heals weaker, and it heals permanently weaker, meaning it's potentially much easier to have re-exacerbations or permanent problems to some degree the rest of your life. And what we do is we just do a little bit of stretching with resistance. And of course, we don't do that until you're comfortable and out of a lot of pain. But that is the part that helps really increase your full mobility with no pain and discomfort. And most importantly, it significantly decreases your likelihood of a permanent injury to some degree the rest of your life. In other words, some type of restriction with pain. That's what it prevents. But these are very effective, very specific therapies that we use that are based on how your body heals and, of course, your findings. So we have what's called a new patient special. Let me share that with you. It's only $97. It's typically $350. Let me share with you. It's only $97. It includes a private consultation with the doctor to see if you actually have what would be considered a chiropractic problem, number one. Number two, it'll include range of motion testing so we can see exactly what therapy and where to apply the therapy to help increase that restricted range of motion. It includes muscle test to see which muscles are painful or restricted or in spasm. And again, the reason for that is so we know what therapy to use and where to use it for what specific tissue. That's why these tests are so important. And then we includes nerve tests. That tells us which nerves are involved. So once again, we know where to apply the therapy, what therapy to apply. Because depending on what tissue's involved, muscle, nerve, disc, joint, see, you would apply a different therapy. And so that's why knowing these, that's why doing these tests are so important. So we not only find out the anatomy that's involved, in this case the nerves, but where the nerves are around, so we know exactly which therapy. So in other words, we'll use our pain relief therapy dealing with nerves in that specific area. See how that works? So then we also include what are called orthopedic joint tests. They tell us if there are any joints involved. If there's any pain or dysfunction with any of your spinal joints in your back. And then that again tells us there's specific therapies you'd use for the joints. So we'd want to know if there's joints involved, where the joints are involved, so we would know exactly which therapy to use for that area. That's how specific this is. Now, we would include, the new patient special does include at least 2 x-rays. That way we can see on the inside that we can't see on the outside. Now, when we see you have the problem, we know exactly where the problem's at. Then it also includes 3 chiropractic treatments to help decrease the pain, decrease the muscle spasms, and increase your mobility. Then the new patient special also includes some 3 pain muscle relieving therapies. In other words, it's very specific therapy for pain and muscle pain to help decrease muscle pain and muscle spasms. So that's what it all includes. So the new patient special is only $97. It's typically $350. It includes the consultation, very specific tests to find the problem and isolate it so we know exactly which therapy to use, whether it's range of motion, muscle, nerve, or joints. Includes the x-rays. Now we see exactly what we need to do. Then we offer, it includes 3 chiropractic treatments and 3 pain relieving muscle therapies. So you start to notice, so you start to feel better quickly and fast, as well as you start to increase your mobility. So this is exactly how we help just hundreds and thousands of patients with low back pain. Very effective therapy. Give us a call. We can help. And again, if you've been involved in an auto accident, it's covered 100%. Your treatment's covered 100% with your auto insurance. Or if not, take advantage of our new patient special. It's only $97. Give us a call. We're right here in Santa Ana, California. Again, we're the Orange County Chiropractic Car Injury Clinics, right here in Santa Ana, California. And when you call us for your appointment, it does include 2 guarantees. One, we have what's called a 72-hour guarantee. In other words, if you're not even satisfied in 72 hours, you get your money back, no questions asked. We feel that confident about what we're doing. Number 2 is we understand that patients don't want to wait. We understand that. And so we've created what's called an office policy called a 7-minute wait policy. In other words, when you schedule your appointment, you'll see the doctor within 7 minutes. You will not be waiting more than 7 minutes. That's unheard of in a doctor's office. Well, not in our office. That's what we do. So, and then when you come in for your visit, it's only going to take about 20 or 30 minutes. You're not going to have to take off work. It's not going to take 2 hours. It's not going to take a half a day. We're going to be very focused and efficient with your time and respect your time also. And we work highly efficiently, okay? So that is our new patient special. It's only $97. And again, if you had a car accident injury, it's covered by your auto insurance policy 100%. So give us a call. We look forward to helping you. We help just hundreds and thousands of patients all the time. With low back pain, give us a call. Again, we're Orange County Chiropractic Car Injury Clinics. And you can give us a call. Typically, we'll get you in the very day you call. Worst case scenario, the very next day. So we're really good about getting you in fast. Give us a call at 714-617-5858. That's 714-617-5858. Give us a call. We'll get you right in. Respect your time, see exactly what's happening, isolate the different problems, immediately start to help you, and you'll start feeling better real quick. That's what will happen when you come into our office. So give us a call. We look forward to helping you. Pick up the phone, give us a call right now.